Hello, everybody. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and provide an update for you for breaking news that came in yesterday. The Federal Housing Finance Agency changed conforming loan limits from $647,000 to over $720,000 in most counties, and with more expensive counties being over $1 million. And what that means is that conforming conventional loans will now be allowed up to those limits. Prior to that, you would have had to get a jumbo loan, which requires more money down, or get a second mortgage. It made obtaining, more expensive homes more complicated. And as inflation has continued and the prices of homes are still high, this allows the more typical buyer to use a normal conventional loan with good credit. You could even do 5% down. There are some 3% down options on a higher sales price of a home. So this just makes housing more accessible for everybody. And I wanted to provide you that update. A lot of our lender partners have been sharing it, and I just wanted to jump on and include that as well. I also wanted to share a tidbit that has been floating around social media too, because we are seeing so many people concerned with high interest rates and concerned with the changing economy. And something that I always like to tell my clients is that the right time to move is when you need to move. So if you're not comfortable with the way that things are right now, and you feel like you want to wait for things to stabilize or your own situation to stabilize, you absolutely don't have to move right now. But if there is something driving you to move, I just want you to keep in mind that if you buy with a higher interest rate and interest rates go up, then you made a good investment. If you buy with a high interest rate and interest rates go down, then you can refinance. And a lot of lenders are offering programs right now that you can refinance in the future without any costs. So they're trying to incentivize people to purchase now, but also feel more comfortable purchasing at a higher interest rate, knowing that they could refi relatively soon in the future. I believe it's after a year, maybe two, for a lower interest rate. And if interest rates stay the same, you still made a good investment. So there are options, even if interest rates seem high today, for you, to create an investment for yourself, regardless of which way the market goes. So I'm always happy to have a conversation. And, I do keep up on the trends. I'm checking interest rates every day. I talk to my lender partners every day. And it is really important for me to stay on top of the market. So I just wanted to provide those two updates that we now have higher conforming loan limits for all the counties in Maryland. And just to keep an open mind about interest rates and that things are always changing. And we're here to stay on top of it for you. Have a great rest of your day. And thanks for tuning in.